Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you how can you use iPhone as a second monitor for PC by USB cable. To start, you will need to decide whether you want to use a Duet Display or iDisplay and download the appropriate app to your iPhone. Next, you'll need to get the desktop version of the app you've chosen. Go to their respective website and click on the Mac OS button download the correct version and pay the requested fee. On the Duet Display website, you could choose between the basic and a full package of 7 day. 7-day free trial. After the download has finished, run the exe file and follow the installation process. After which, you want to open the app on your iPhone and you want to plug in your iPhone by a USB cable or connect it to the same Wi-Fi. I click on the desktop and select display settings. Once you do it, you will see two monitors. The second one is your phone. Here you could select what you want to project on which screen. In the program or app, select the settings for the both display. So that is how you could actually use your iPhone as a second monitor. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.